If you've never wired a solar inverter before, this is your step-by-step working through. We are going through every connection on the PowMr 48V all-in-one solar inverter. By the end, you will see the whole system clearly, even if this is your first install. This is an indoor unit, garage, utility room, or basement all work. Mounted vertically on the wall, the fan pulls air from the right side to the left side, so vertical installation is required. At the bottom, you have 5 connection areas: PV input for solar panels, battery for energy storage, AC input for grid or generator, AC output for home load, and communication ports for BMS or power connection. Let's go one by one. This inverter uses a single MPPT, so all panels go into one string. Limits are 500 volts DC maximum, 27 amperes maximum, and 10.5 kilowatts maximum PV input. Yes, even though it's an 8 kilowatt inverter, you can oversize the panels. That helps you get more energy in real conditions, morning and cloudy days. This inverter supports split-phase output, 120/240 volts for most homes, or 120/208 volts in some systems. For simple 120 volts loads, use line 1 to neutral or line 2 to neutral. Connect the AC output terminal to your load circuit. Connect the AC input terminal to the utility grid. Next, connect the AC input grounding terminal to the grounding busbar. Then connect the busbar to your main grounding system. The grounding wire from the AC output side should also be connected to the same grounding busbar. This ensures a common grounding point for safe and stable operation. The battery side handles high current, up to 120 amps. Use one AWG cable minimum and a 125 amp DC breaker. Polarity is critical, positive to positive, negative to negative. If reversed, the unit can be damaged. If you are using a lithium battery with BMS, connect the Cat 5e cable from the battery's CAN port to the inverter's CAN port. Before powering on, check polarity on all connections, confirm all terminals are tight, verify breaker size, keep PV voltage under 500 volts, and confirm grid voltage is correct. Power on in this order.